Stop receiving unknown numbers, message, and video calls on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the WhatsApp application on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open. And after tapping on open, what you're going to do is tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Then you can see the option of privacy over here, so just tap on it. Then you can see the option of who can see my personal information. So you can see the last seen and online. So right now it is toggled on for my contacts and everyone. Now you can just tap on to nobody, or you can just go for my contacts. After that, go back and go to the profile photo. Make sure that you go for nobody or my contacts, so that other unknown numbers cannot see your profile photo. Go to about and do the same for this one as well. Either choose nobody or my contacts. Then tap on status, select on my contacts or only share with a certain person. Now go back and tap on receipts. You can toggle this on as well. After tap on groups, and you can just mention who you want to be added into groups by with your contacts over here, and go back, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.